Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your host, Mikey TV. A simple one today, nothing too crazy. As you can see on the timestamp of the video, it's not going to be a long one. It's very short. I'm just answering a question that has been asked so many times. We are in an era in South Africa where a lot of phones are bought secondhand because we can't afford to go to the iStore. So it's understandable. A lot of phones are bought on Instagram, TikTok, sold by a friend because they bought a new phone, so they're selling a new phone. So now this is how you can check if your phone is real, where it comes from and everything like that. Just a couple of steps. Two steps. Step one, you want to go to your settings. After you go to your settings, you go to general. Once you go to general, you press about and you look at model number. Now look at the first letter. This tells you everything. So there's a couple letters that you have to look out for. Let's start with M. M is the first one, and that's the greenest flag that you have. M means that this is a brand new retail unit. This was sold fresh from Apple or the iStore. It was never replaced or never refurbished. F means refurbished by Apple. This phone basically was returned and then fixed by Apple. It has been tested and then resold at a cheaper price. So it's still legit, it's just not a brand new unit. And then you get N, which is a replacement unit. This phone was given by Apple as a replacement, usually after a repair or warranty claim. So basically, if you gave in your phone to Apple and they gave you this phone, it's not brand new, it's not refurbished, it's just a replacement. So if you see N on there, it's a replacement. And then the last one is P, which stands for personalized device. So this one was engraved. It's still the same phone, it's still brand new, still bought at Apple, still bought at the iStore and everything. This one is just personalized. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's basically the same. It's just customized. Now here's the thing. If your phone doesn't fall under any of these categories, that's where the problem lies. I wasn't gonna show you what it was supposed to say there. It just basically says, I was not going to be like, what's not supposed to be there. I was just gonna I'm telling you what's supposed to be there. So if it's not there, you get where I'm going with this, right? Now, step 2 is to check your serial number. You don't need to go anywhere else. It's still on the same page as you were checking on the previous one. Just look under serial number. Once you see serial number, copy the serial number. Go to Apple's coverage checker and paste that number that you copied into that coverage checker. It's supposed to show your phone, storage, color, everything about your phone is supposed to be accurate to that information that's showing on the page after you pasted the serial number. If it says it doesn't exist, that's the biggest red flag. But what's gonna happen? You're not gonna return the phone either way. Now make sure everything is matching, every single thing. The serial number matches to the one that's on the box. The color of the phone matches to the one that's on the check coverage page. The storage, every single thing. The phone model, everything must match. And that's all you need to check. And if everything is if everything's all good, then you are fine. Just give me a thumbs up in the comments that says, no, my phone is fine. Give me a thumbs down if you just found out that your phone is not a phone. Yeah, it's bad. No, but anyway, thank you for watching. I know this was quite a short one, but I'm just trying to get more consistent. So thank you. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know in the comments. And as always, it's all love.